Okay, hey family, we don't even know where we are. We just decided, hey, we'll go walking and we'll try and get lost. We're definitely lost because we're in here now. We have not seen a local, a tourist for like half an hour now. Like for ages. We just walked right into this Duzno. But we've been finding so many cheap things, and like to think that you will be stuck in Ligian buying all of that expensive stuff. No, we found so many cheap stuff. So we've been loving this little venture. Let's go that way. There was a side on the other side. And then we discovered that there's a market here.
Oh, fresh produce though.
And everyone's so nice. They don't even hassle you. Everyone just lets you be. They just let you shop. Is he like, she's sleeping?
Ah, yeah.
Tired. Hello. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. I think it's all just market stuff, eh? Yeah. Hello.
Oh yeah.
Get on. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Yeah, jump out the whip on 'em. You know how I get, homie. I'm too sharp for these dub brothers. Too smooth for the rough cutters. Oh, tryna be me my whole life. But I get caught up with that old life. Yeah, you know how the thinking go. But I'm about to get it on tonight. Hold tight, whole spot with me. You seeing them, you seeing me, man, it's the same difference. 100 shame, no, we ain't changed. Okay, your boy might be a little different. Go hard, like concrete. Hold up, when you get me, man, I be out in these streets. Yeah, get it poppin' quick, yeah. Let the feeling jumpin' out the whip.
Jumped out the whip. Now we ain't got no problems. About to kill it. Ain't nothing that gon' stop us. They can feel it, but they all let it feel it. They can get it, tell them all better get it. They can feel it, and it's all alright. They can get it, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Jumped out the whip. Ay, 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 ay. And I jumped out the whip. Ay, 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 ay. Jumped out the whip. Ay, 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 ay. And I jumped out the whip.
Yeah, jumped out the whip on 'em. I'm being me, I'm the one and only. Stepping up so clean, ain't a stain on me. Ooh, it's going down and I didn't know. Swinging hard like a Andre Ward. Make it slow, tell 'em press record.
You look good.
It's our family, so we're still lost, but we are kind of getting an idea, that we're getting closer to home. It's getting a bit more busier, a bit more hustlers, but we've been running into shops like this. And we just seen there's like an exit to the back there, so we're gonna go have a look.
Whip clean, my whip clean. I ain't riding dirty, man, I'm pristine. Jumping out the whip.
Now we ain't got no problems. About to kill it. Ain't nothing that gon' stop us. They can feel it, but they all let me feel it. They can get it, tell them all better get it. They can feel it, and it's all alright. They can get it, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Jumped out the whip. Ay, 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 ay. And I jumped out the whip. Ay, 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 ay. Jumped out the whip. Ay, 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 ay. And I jumped out the whip.
They say that you did it, you jumped out the whip. Know that good feeling, you jumped out the whip. Swag on a million.
Okay family, we made it back. We legit walked everywhere. We have not caught, what is it? We did not catch any transport. And I'm actually really proud of myself. Yeah. I'm proud of myself for walking all that way. But we're finally back in Kuta. We stay in Ligian, but we're just going to find somewhere to eat. We haven't even stopped to get any water because we just didn't trust the local places where we were. And yeah, we did a few shopping, didn't we, honey? And we did not get ripped off. In total, we probably only spent $20, 200 rupiah, and that's how many bags we got. But yes, let's go and eat.
If you live long enough, you know that won't he do it? With just one sunrise, my life bumps and bruises, battle scars had to prove my loyalty for my hood. These are better days. Voices from vices got me standing here, singing praises to your name for saving me from my yesterday. Second chances come with every sunrise. I wake up feeling like the Most High's favorite child, cause he gave me you. A breath of fresh air and a brand new morning, painted blue. I wake up blessed and highly favored, just to see another day. Prove that second chances come with every sun.
So we're here at Kuta Beach. I asked Haru if we should go surfing, but he's like, nah. Nah, and plus like the water is a bit dirty.
Kinda yucky, yeah.
Yeah.
It's got some, look, not every beach is perfect, but you know, when you see rubbish in the water, kind of doesn't look aesthetic.
But yeah, this is the it just goes all the way down, all the way to the other side down there.
For ages, yeah.
For ages, even that way. And we were over there at the shopping center, Discovery Mall. That's Discovery Mall. On the white.
Too, yeah.
Yeah.
True that.
Anyways, we're heading on home. Okay, so Taru's just in the hotel room. He's actually really tired from our long walk all over Bali, but he's just getting his fortnight therapy. I was gonna join him, but I thought, no, I actually want to come and do a little more shopping because I know that tomorrow's our last day, and we actually wanted to go and explore again and get lost. So I don't think we'll come around this way where the thing that I want to buy for Lanston. Oh, I'm out of breath because I'm walking so fast. But yeah, family, my dad's actually gonna kill me because he gets so angry if I was to leave the house, any of us was to leave the house by ourselves. But I was saying to Taru, I'm like a mountain that cannot be moved. Someone will try and steal me and I will actually fight back. Plus, seriously, I don't think anyone would even try. So let's go and do this, TNS fam. Okay, so I ended up back on the main road, but I'm on the other side. So I walked all the way to the shop that I wanted to buy my nephew's outfit from, but they were closed, and I was so shattered because I was fighting with myself whether I should buy it, but I didn't end up buying it. Oh my goodness, I'm sweating all out. But it's okay. I was like getting a bit scared because I was in the back roads, but if I just stick with, like, if I see tourists, I just walk next to them and then I'm fine. But yeah, I'm gonna go and check out Poppy's Lane 1 because they probably have some jumpsuits there, but if not, that's okay. Woo! God bless. was our party. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, so I walked down all of Poppy's Lane 1 and I'm now in this little, like a little market thingy that's underneath something, some bar, and it's so hot, like legit. But I'm trying to still look for this set that I want to get Lanston, and I still got to get Adonai his two his shirts. So yeah, let's see if we can find. Just looking.
Yes, vlogging. Are you doing vlog?
Vlogging, yeah. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello. This is me saying. Hey,
Short or singlet? Adidas.
Sus.
Okay, I'm going to have a look.
Alright.
I got a zero size.
How much?
This cheap.
Yeah, what's your
10.
10,000?
$10.
Oh my goodness.
How much?
This guy is trying to sell me this shirt for Oz dollars, $10. How much? Your serious price?
Serious price 70.
No.
How much your
30.
price? Wow!
See,
Wow! No! $30.
What's your vlogging? On YouTube.
TNS, hey, my husband. I'm married.
Okay, only 5 each. 5. Fair price for
Nah.
you.
We married too.
Yeah, then don't kiss girls.
Yes. Hey, how many you want?
What's your
TNS,
YouTube?
Tuxin Sarah.
Hey, how many?
Just one.
Only 5 each. Only one.
No.
50,
5
50.
for 5. I give you 35 each.
No. He thinks I'm silly. You think I'm silly?
How much the dress?
Shout out to these guys.
Shut up.
He's angry that I didn't buy. Shut up.
What's
So I am sweating that much. I ran everywhere. I've got sweat patches. Even on my back. Oh, sorry. Yeah, nice. Story of my life.
Yo, we'll be back?
We'll see you when we come back, okay? No, it's okay. You rest.
Yeah, stay there.
We'll be 10 minutes. Alright, bye. Hey fam. I don't even know what I'm saying, sorry.
We're in our usual spot, Starbucks, that we have come to love, with a iced coffee frappuccino. Is that right? Usually they put cream on it, eh?
Yeah, but I actually think that having the cream in there is much sweeter.
Yeah. So, yeah, you guys would have seen that little thing we done on the way out of the door. I always laugh at Sarah for doing it. She does it all the time. So I thought we'll show you guys what she gets up to. Oh, sorry, what she does when we leave the room. We're still got a bit of shopping to do. We haven't really vlogged too much in the last day or so because that's like the same stuff that we get up to. But we were kind of shattered yesterday that we didn't take the camera with us. But we're able to get it on the
phone like you saw. If it was bad quality, well obviously my phone isn't as good as the camera, but you know, sometimes you're just going to put down your camera and really go and get lost, and that's what we did, and we didn't expect to actually get lost and like love it.
Yeah.
That it was amazing, we loved it. We also wanted to explain that this holiday we didn't do much actually. We just came here to really relax. Like when I mean relax, I mean fully relax. This is our third time being to Bali, and we didn't really want to like do the water sports, rafting. We've done all that before, but the one thing that I really wanted to do was water bomb, like you guys saw. And that's what we hit up. And then the rest of the holiday is just all about relaxing, massages, and yeah, there was a few things that happened when we first arrived here. Only a day in, and bad news had hit us, but you know, we continue to rejoice in his name, and Jesus is always the answer to everything, and he is also the calm to everything. So meditating on his word actually got me. I don't think it was more so my husband, I think it was more so me. I read into things too much, and that's just the way I am. I actually am very hard on myself, and then I will start punishing myself and this and that, and it's just the list goes on. But I gotta just meditate on his word, and that's what a holiday has been all about. Just relaxing, actually really sitting down with one another. But we did want to share footage with you, and we hope that you enjoyed the rest of this footage, and you're going to enjoy the rest of the footage to come.
Yeah, also why this holiday was important was, yeah, we're newlyweds, but just like everyone else, you have a busy lifestyle and stuff, work and blah blah blah. So like Sarah said, it was real good for us to come here and just chill. Well, in the last few days, just chill after everything, like she said. And I think it's a little message to every couple out there, you know. We've been married for 6 months now, right?
December, January, February, March, April, 5 months.
5 months, but we've been together more than 5 months.
Yeah.
Like 8 years. No, 7 years. So it is very important for any couple out there, or even friends, to just take a little time away from everything. You know, really get to embrace each other.
I also wanted to address something that hasn't been addressed, which is our in our comment section. We have actually you know, it's expected. We knew that this would happen, and we would get like negative comments and nasty comments, and yeah, it comes with the life of wanting to put your life out there onto YouTube. To all those that haven't enjoyed our vlogs, have a problem with my eyebrows, and was my eyebrows or eyelash? I don't even remember, but it was one of them. Eyelash, eyebrows.
And then they're like, you look or something.
Yeah.
Oh, your eyelashes.
Yeah. Listen, you gotta take me and my husband for who I am, and this is what we display to you on camera. And whether you don't like it, we only wish happiness and joy in your life. We don't ever want to put you down, and I hope that you actually don't put other people down. To the other comments that have been really criticizing to our vlog, we actually appreciate your comment for taking the time and actually watching our vlog and having feedback for us. We actually don't take it as a negative comment. We actually take it on board, and we'll try and work on it. But this is the style of our vlog. This is the style of how we do our vlog. This is how we are going to do our vlog, whether it's an hour or 2 hours or 30 minutes. This is however long that we are going to be doing our vlogs, and we hope that you actually do enjoy our vlog. Also, I wanted to also say this, the whole seriously, to all those Team CLC and Victoria squad that actually tune in and watch our vlogs, we have mad love for CLC and Victoria. I do watch them. Me and my husband, we watch them, and we give them mad ups, and we don't ever like try and compare our life to their life. Everyone is different, like
and like for us, vlogging's never gonna be like competitive, or like we said in our first vlogs, if you've watched that far back, like we ain't trying to be the vlog superstars, even though it sounds ironic. Like we said, we just thought that we have a unique lifestyle, or we have something that we can show the world on this platform.
yeah.
So, you know, whether you like it or not, thank you for coming to our channel. Thank you for coming to our page.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for the view. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and most importantly, share love and positivity. And yeah, we love you, family.
And yeah, fam, let's go.
If you live long enough, you know that won't he do it? With just one sunrise, my life bumps and bruises, battle scars had to prove my loyalty for my hood. These are better days. Voices from vices got me standing here, singing praises to your name for saving me from my
So family, so I forgot to record Sarah buying the outfit for Lanston that she got up here, and then she ended up getting one for, I don't know, Lucky Boys. Oh, gonna get hit by a car. So yeah, we're just walking through this back street. We found that walking through the back streets are pretty cool. You get to meet a few cool people, but we don't stay for long. We just kind of, yo, what's up, yo? And
we just keep it moving.
Keep it moving.
Because then they end up saying, oh, you give me $1 for coffee. And then you do that everywhere, you end up spending $50.
Yeah. Or like you do that, hey, yo, what's up? And then they're like, so they go from selling you one thing to something that has no, like, no relation to it. Hey, yo, what's up, man? So, for example, I'm walking and Sarah's the person. Hey, how's it going? And then, oh no, I'll be the guy, sorry. So you're walking past me?
Oh, okay, I'm walking.
She's walking. Hey, miss, you buy something?
Oh, no, thank you, darling.
Hey, you want t-shirt? I have t-shirt.
No, thank you, darling.
You want marijuana? I have marijuana. 0 to 100.
That's exactly what they do.
It's like, what the?
Seriously, every time they do that, or they say like, oh, you want mushroom? We're just like, whoa.
Crack up, eh?
We like fully laugh. So Taru is trying to bargain. I usually do all the bargaining, but this time he's giving it a go. See how the man's trying to block his way, my husband's way.
Yeah, my name's Satu1. Oh, Satu1. Alright, Benny.
What did he say?
He said, go look Silam.
Oh! No. This is when I need to intervene. How much? 50? 50, I give you money now? 50, darling.
Wait, I need to get you on camera. Ready, Benny? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Woohoo! Okay, what's going on, Benny? Okay, hold that for a second.
Okay. Woohoo! Okay, what's going on, Benny? Okay, hold that for a second. And vacuum? Yes. We already have perfume. 1 minute.
Look.
Oh, he's got 1 minute.
Here.
It's okay, Benny. Yes. Hey Benny, we walking. We go. Each.
Oh my. I have
So
only
he's saying
one.
it's the same thing.
I don't want too much.
That's alright. It's okay, Benny.
You naughty boy. How much? I can't do. I can only do 50. Mama.
Hey fam, excuse the darkness, but we just came out of Poppy's, is it 2?
Poppies too.
Poppy's 2, and we bumped into my friend here, and he's having some Balinese food.
Yeah, Balinese food.
Balinese what?
Chicken.
Just chicken?
And
Chicken,
egg. And vegetables.
This one.
Is that egg?
Yeah.
cucumber?
Yeah.
This one? Yeah. Rice. Looks really, really nice. And he said it's 20,000, so that's $2 Aussie-ish. Huh?
Not
Correction?
$2.
20.
20.
Yeah, 20,000.
Yeah, 20,000. Not $2.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Only $2.
20,000 Australia is $2.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
My man. Have a good night. Yeah, so you guys are gonna have to excuse the traffic and everything that's going on in the background. It's pretty loud, but yeah, the man's eating next to the rubbish.
Yes.
But it's very beautiful down here, and we don't know what we're gonna do.
That smells like toilet water.
But yeah, might as well tell you guys now, family, I'm just gonna go get a tattoo, eh?
Huh? Yeah, no, he's not.
Okay. Wow. Voice of an angel. What's up, family?
You
So
beat
we
my
have come
vlog.
to the end of my foot
On
massage.
YouTube. I write my name in the book. You be on
Bagus.
my YouTube channel.
And wife's
You understand?
nails. Looking nice.
Oh, here.
They look good.
I just got a deep burgundy color
Yeah, you can
because we're
see
going back home to
better.
winter.
But they look nice though.
Hopefully.
And your toes. Yo. So these kids, I call them kids because she's
Yeah.
17. Oh, 16, eh?
Yeah.
16 turning 17, she's 18. And that's her grandma. Buzzy. Very buzzy. It's not your ordinary McDonald's KFC job, is it? But yeah, we're gonna make our way, I think, to McDonald's.
Your grandma.
You buy her.
And then head back home. Alright fam.
300. All of you have $10 each.
Siempre comandante, hasta siempre comandante, hasta siempre.
family. It is officially our fly out day.
Hi family.
We're just getting a taxi. Sorry, we're just getting a taxi from our hotel to go to the airport, and then check in for a flight and make our way back home.
Where my islanders? Can some of y'all run down here to the front real quick? I gotta know who's in the building. Where my islanders? I need y'all to run down here. Come on, let me see ya. Come on, Jehovah, say it. Jehovah, you. Say it. I trust in you. Show me how to do it, y'all. In you, I believe. Say it, say it. I believe you. I trust. Come on. In you, oh Lord. Come on, Jehovah, you. Where y'all at? Come on, come on. I trust. In you, I believe. Say it. I believe. You are the God of miracles. You are the God of miracles. You are the God of wonder. You are the God of wonder. You are the God all powerful. You are the God all powerful. I believe, say it. I believe. I believe. I believe. I believe. I believe. Say it, y'all. I believe. I believe. Come on, let your feet get heavy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Somebody make some noise in here. Come on, catch it, Jehovah. Jehovah, I trust in you. Oh Lord.
Okay, so we just got here. Our cab ride from the hotel to the hotel. Our cab ride from the hotel to the airport was 15. Tari decided to tip him $5 and the car ride was actually 10. And yeah, so we will be going back home. Am I excited? A little bit, because I've just been missing my family a lot, but I'm actually not wanting to go home. Are you, honey?
I am not excited to go.
You're not excited. Teddy wants to live here.
Yeah. But we're gonna make our way to check-in and we'll see you guys inside.
Bye. Yo.
Delicious. Oh.
Seriously guys, this is like, it was so fast. So we're here at Hard Rock and me and Tari was like, oh, we're gonna probably find like Macca's or something to have lunch, but I don't think they have Macca's in this airport. Hey, honey.
Don't think so.
So we just came to Hard Rock and we're eating. I got this, what do you call it, honey?
Some kind of burger.
It's like a ripped pork burger with fries, this bean sauce, coleslaw, and my husband got ribs, chips, side dishes. Let's dig in.
What's up? Yo! What's up, family? The Unas has ever arrived. My source, yo.
We're going on this one. We're like, I bet you this is their flight.
Hey! Oh, yo.
Have fun.
Hararus. Enjoy yourself, bro. See ya. See ya. Bye, Leah. That's funny. So today you would have seen that some of the church family are flying in today as we head out. So trying to catch them on the vlogs. Yo, what's up, family? So one of the things that's expected in Bali is they just check your bags, like overkill. So we've already checked our bags like 10 times. Nah, exaggeration. It's like
We checked our bags over there at customs and now they want to check it again.
We've been sitting in this place for over an hour and now they want to check our bags. I don't understand, family. I don't know what's going on. Speed's getting a bit long though, eh? See, oh yeah, and the guy's like, oh yeah, you don't want to check back? You stay in Bali. I'm like, yeah, I stay in Bali. Good. He's like, yeah, you stay in Bali.
We just wanted to see Fela and Rana, but we couldn't, because I think maybe they're towards the back.
Yeah.
But at least we got to see Nicole, Leah and John.
That was
so
cool,
that's
eh?
okay.
That's very cool. So yeah, just a little something, little rant, I guess.
Belt is most effective when worn low, tight, and throughout the entire flight. Make sure you're familiar with the brace position best suited to your seat. The onboard safety instruction card in your seat pocket shows pictures of your brace position, along with other important safety information. The 787 has 8 emergency exits, which we'll now show you. 2 at the front, 2 in front of the wing, 2 behind the wing, and 2 at the back of the cabin. Lights will illuminate, showing you the path to follow to these exits. Emergency exits on this aircraft are identified with green signs. Green signs with arrows indicate the direction of the emergency exit. If we need to leave the aircraft quickly, taking your personal items with you will slow you down, so please leave everything behind. If a mask like this appears from above you, quickly put it over your mouth and nose, and breathe normally. The flow of oxygen is initiated when you start breathing into the mask. Keep the mask in place by fitting and tightening the strap, and then help others around you. There is a life jacket located in a pouch under your seat or inside your foot.
I don't know what's happening. Or maybe they smuggled in animals.
Smuggled a baby. Traffic begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you again for your patience. We're now free to disembark the aircraft.
Yes. Made it home. This chica picked us up. No, your name. What's mom? Just quick. It's not on. You're lying.
It is. What's your name?
What the hell?
It's on. Look.
It's not on.
What's your name?
My name is Christine Senivasa. And I come from
Nofali Primary School.
Yeah, Nofali Primary School. And my mom and my dad's from Nofali Primary School.
Okay. Say like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Like, comments, and prescribes.
No, mom.
Shut up.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Likes, comments, share, and prescribes.
Subscribe.
Subscribes.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Like, comments, share, and subscribe. Night, early this morning, and my wawa was so badass. And then
I tried to gong in my daughter. This is little Brett. And then she can't wake up. And then my husband ran into my room and said, "Oh, what happened? What happened?" I said, "Come on, my mama. It's really hit." And then Chris came, Julie came, and they just all over the eyes. No
okay,
good.
Whatever.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
What's up, family? Just at church. Sarah just finished band practice. Now she's just chatting with with two of her Sunday school students, and they're just planning out what they're gonna do for tomorrow if they get caught up for item. So it's Precious and Fia, and that's Sarah. She's the teacher.
So we have just finished eating. My girl here is still eating. We did a holdout on our class. Seriously, boys, we're so sorry. We're sorry. Yeah, you sorry?
Okay, what's up, family? Today is Sunday morning. I'm at the back again covering for the brother Bati, because Johnny has gone. Johnny, our drummer, has gone to Bali. You guys would have seen on the footage. We caught them at the airport coming in as we were leaving. So yeah, today's going to be a bliss service. I'm not too sure what we're going to get up to later. Well, we're going to eat, but yeah, not too sure how far that's going to go or what exactly is going to happen. But exciting day ahead, and you guys enjoy it.
Today it's a bit chilly, but I tell you now, the devil is a liar. Amen. He wants you to be cold, but I tell you now, the Holy Ghost of fire is going to keep your body up. So in saying that, I've got a little scripture here. Says Psalms 100 verse 4. Enter his gates with thanksgiving and his courts with praise. Give thanks to him and praise his name. As we enter those doors, everything that we've been facing throughout the week, I ask that you give thanks to him, amen. Whether it's good or bad, you give thanks to him. Verse 5, it says, "For the Lord is good and his love endures forever. His faithfulness continues through all generations." I pray that you meditate on these words as we go through these fast songs.